Hey friends, William here. Hey, this is a video that I was not able to download. The file had been corrupted, and somehow we were able to pull this up. This was the last time I was actually at Animal Kingdom back in Dino Land before they started all of the construction. So this is a little outdated since it was back at Christmas time, but you're going to get to see a lot of cool things that we'll never see again. Hopefully you like it. We'll see you soon. So we have ventured off to Disney's Animal Kingdom. Excited about this. Haven't been in this park in, wow, about a month now. I'm going to give you some sights and sounds of Disney's Animal Kingdom, and I do have something I am picking up here today when I come in. I am looking for a popcorn bucket, and the popcorn bucket is of Sully from Monsters Inc. And apparently he has a Santa hat on and things of that sort, so really excited just to be able to get that. I have a very special person who wants one of those, so we are going to grab it. We're going to give you some pictures of the tree. Looks really neat. A little different it looks this year, but still really cool. So let's check it out, then we're going to go on in. Tree is so cool looking. Always is. I have some really good shots from last year at night that are really neat. Wow, this is so cool. Wow, this is really neat. Oh, wow. That is really cool. Chip and Dale. If you ever get a chance just to come and admire all of the ornaments on this tree, it is just gorgeous. They don't look real. That is amazing.
Also chase penguins.
So I decided to stop off at the Tusker House over in Africa and stop by the Dino bar to grab a drink. He decided to go with the prickly pear margarita, their specialty drink for this location, the Dino bar. And this is one of the better drinks, specialty drinks that I've ever had. And when we come to the what the drink is described as and what it looks like and what it actually shows up as, spot on, spot on. And of course, prickly pear margarita. I would get this again. First of all, very refreshing. Second of all, it is as advertised. And third of all, it's fast. They had it to me very quickly. Boom, 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 done. Now you are looking at $15, but make sure you tip your bartender very well here. They do work very hard. Cast members are awesome here. They were spot on, even though there was an amount of guests that were rolling through very quickly. So sitting right at the bar and enjoying. And again, the garnish with the lime. Now, of course, I like to squeeze the lime into mine. That's me. Wow, what a really good drink.
Happy birthday to you guys. This is where the party is. Hello, hello.
Dino Land USA will be leaving very soon. Right at the, it's already been announced, I believe it's right at the front of the year, right after the holidays are over, so we can make room for change, which will bring more life back to this area. But still, sometimes you hate to see things go, right? But what's coming just gives us something to look forward to, right?
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question, but
It's just so hard to believe. All of this quirkiness and kind of funky decor and 1960s roadside type of entertainment is just all going to be gone. But at least we had it for the time frame that we did have it, right? So we'll take it, right? We'll enjoy it one more Christmas and then we'll just move on.
learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos and memories.
So unfortunately, this is disappearing also. Now, there's no telling what's going to take its place. You know that they will throw some magic to it and make this area wonderful. So fingers crossed, right? Another Kevin sighting.
He has a mushy side. Well, here you go, Dom.
He's everywhere these days. Well, here.
Skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life. unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life.